A very warm welcome to everyone. In our today's video, we are going to learn about keywords and identifiers. Keywords are reserved and predefined words that have special meaning in C language. These are basic building blocks to write instructions in C program. Each keyword carries its own importance. The meaning of various keywords has been already been specified in C compiler, so we cannot change it. Hence, they have fixed meanings and they became part of syntax of C language. As we know, C is case sensitive language. Therefore, all the keywords must be written in lowercase alphabet. As you can see here, lowercase alphabets of int is not same as uppercase alphabets of. If we use uppercase alphabets in our program, it will give an error int. Here are some keywords which are widely used in our programs. First one is int. It is a keyword which represents integer data type. Next, float. It is a keyword which represents floating data type. And do, which defines do block in a do while statement. And the other one is go to, which represents unconditional control statements, which is used to transfer the program control to a predefined label. Similarly, there are many other keywords in which each of them has special importance and predefined meaning. As you can see here, there are 32 keywords in a C language. You will get to know about them when you will use them writing in C programs. Now, we'll look into the next topic called identifiers. As the name suggests, identifiers are used to identify terms in a C program. We know that keywords are predefined terms, but identifiers are user defined terms, which means definition of these terms is defined by program who writes the code. In C language, identifiers are names given to variables, constants, functions, structures, pointers, arrays, and many more. They consist of letters, digits, or underscore. These are named memory locations which stores the value. As you can see the code, here int and float are keywords, whereas int var1, int sum, fl average are identifiers, and addNum is a function call. There are some rules need to be followed to write the name of an identifier. Identifiers must begin with either letters or underscore, and the following letters can be alphabets, digits, or underscore. The maximum length of any identifier is 31 characters for external names and 63 characters for local names. The uppercase letters of rate is not equal to lowercase letters of rate. Any identifier should not be a keyword, and we should not use any special symbols in an identifier. Here are some examples of valid identifiers and invalid identifiers. First, we'll look into the invalid identifiers. The first one is average, 3. It is invalid identifier because comma is a special symbol which should not be used to name an identifier. And 5 factorial is also an invalid identifier because first letter of any identifier should start with either alphabets or underscore. Third one, ampersand roll underscore number. It is invalid identifier because no identifier should start with special symbol. And the fourth one, switch. It is also an invalid identifier because switch is already a keyword and keywords should not be used as identifiers. Now we'll look into the valid identifiers. Average, sum of digits, room underscore number underscore results. These are valid identifiers because they follow all the rules of identifiers need to be followed.